My dear brothers and sisters, in the last 200 years, many things have been invented by man to make life comfortable and easy. Let's take the case or example of travel. Before, for someone in Europe to reach Asia, sailing, it will take probably months to reach his destination. But now, you just take an airplane, provided you have a ticket, and in 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours, you will be in Europe or you will be in America. Things have become easier. But my dear brothers and sisters, let me remind you that not all things easy are holy. Hindi po lahat ng madali ay banal. In fact, the Lord is telling us here in the gospel, enter the narrow gate. Because the gate and the road that lead to life are narrow and constricted. In other words, the Lord is saying, do not be afraid to suffer inconvenience. Do not be afraid to be once in a while uncomfortable if that will make you holier. Kasi tayo minsan nasanay na sa madali eh. Ayaw nating nahihirapan. Ayaw nating napapagod. Gusto natin madalian. Pero hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon ang mga madadali ay maghahatid sa atin sa langit. And so the invitation of the Lord is enter the narrow gate. But if you choose to enter the narrow gate, you have to let go of the many baggages that you carry. Malit ang papasukan eh. You know, there is a restaurant somewhere, I don't remember where, that they offer discount, if you are able to pass through certain doors. So, this door, will give you, say, 20 discount off, from the food purchase. This door will give you 50%. Pag nakalusot ka doon sa door na yon, 50%. If this door, will give you 100%. Pag nakapasok ka doon, wala kang babayaran. Hindi pwede sa atin yon. Sa marami sa atin, kahit ganito kalaki ang pinto hindi pa rin kasya. What then? When you have to let go of your weight, to reduce, to leave the things that you carry, the baggages that you carry, you have to let go in order for you to be able to enter the narrow gate. And what are those baggages? It may be bitterness. It may be jealousy. It may be negative thoughts. Yun ang dami-dami natin kasing dala-dala sa puso natin na kinakailangan nating itapon, pakawalan, iwan. Nang sa ganon ay lumiit tayo at makapasok sa makipot na daan. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, in this Mass, let us ask the grace of God to show us the things that we have to let go in order to be slim, so that we can enter the narrow gate. Amen.